Alright fellas, in this video we are gonna see how you can install the red giant magic bullet right inside your After Effects. So we are gonna only focus on magic bullet in this tutorial for the After Effects. So first of all, you can have two options here, try and the buy. If you want to try this as a trial version, you can click on try, and if you want to purchase this, you can click on buy. But for this tutorial we are gonna go with try. So make sure you are right inside the official website, which is maxon.net, and it is referring to the red giant magic bullet. So once you're right inside, you need to click on try. Once you do so, you will have the download options for the trial downloads, and it says download Maxon App 2024. So this is the management software that we are gonna install, and we will install the magic bullet right inside the Maxon app. So you need to click on this blue button here. Once you do so, it will start downloading the Maxon app, and you may need to log in into the application. So if you click on this man icon here, you can see my account or sign out. It means that I have logged in and registered with the Maxon app. So once your download is done, you need to click on Maxon app. You may need to grant all permissions in order to make Maxon app working properly. So first of all, it says that you need an account to sign in. So you can click on register if you are new here. As I have already registered with the Maxon app, I'm gonna go with sign in with Google. So I will click on sign in with Google. And once you do so, it will authenticate your Google account with the Maxon app, and it says that open Maxon app, and it will automatically log in into the Maxon app from my official Google account. So once you're right inside, you need to scroll down until you see the red giant. This is the red giant software that we are looking for, and you can click on install or purchase, but I'm gonna click on install. So we are concerned only with the magic bullet right now, and I'm gonna click on install. And you need to click on latest version if you're looking for the best results. You may need to grant all permissions to install the magic bullet suite properly. So as you can see, we have the installer here, so I'm gonna click on install. Alright, so as you can see, we have successfully installed the Red Giant Magic Bullet that is used for color correction, finishing and film looks, and it has been successfully installed. So I will click on close, and now you will see the option here, Magic Bullet 2024 version, and it is up to date. So right now we have successfully installed the Magic Bullet right inside the After Effects. So let us go right inside the After Effects to see if it is properly installed or not. So for that, you can go to the search bar and you can search for After Effects. And as you can see, I have the Adobe After Effects 2023. So I will click on this and I will open the Adobe After Effects. Alright fellas, so once you're right inside the After Effects, first of all, you need to create a new composition. You can click on this button, new composition, and you need to apply the default settings. I'm gonna make the background as black, and I will click on OK. So I have the new composition here so that I can test the magic bullet right inside the After Effects, whether it is properly installed or not. So once you have created the composition, you need to click on the window in the top navigation of the After Effects, and you need to select effects and presets. Again, we need to go to the window and make sure the effects and presets has the tick mark right next to it. Once you are done, you will see the effects and presets tab in the right side of the After Effects. You need to click on this and you need to search for looks. As you can see, we have the RG Magic Bullet. RG stands for Red Giant. We have the Red Giant Magic Bullet, and this is the plugin called as looks. So this is the one plugin that we can use from the Magic Bullet, as it is used for the color correction. So I'm gonna test it with the looks. So for that, I'm gonna import my video right inside the After Effects. So make sure you are in the projects folder in the left side of the After Effects, and you need to click on this window, right click on this window, and click on import and file. So now I'm gonna import any video from this list. For example, this is in video 1.mp4. I will click on this and I will click on import. Once it is right inside that, I'm gonna drag it into my composition. As you can see, we have the video here in my composition, and once you're done, you need to select this NVIDIA 1.mp4 right inside your composition, and you need to search for looks that is powered by Magic Bullet, and you need to double click on this, or you can also drag it into your video. So right now, as you can see, we have successfully applied Magic Bullet looks, and if you click on edit, as soon as I click on the edit, I will see the Magic Bullet looks interface, and here you have effects that you can apply into your videos. So that's it. I hope you like this video. You can follow along this tutorial. If you face any issues, you can watch this video again, and if still you have any other issues, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Hope you like this video. Have a great day ahead. I will meet you in my next video. Thanks again and have a nice day.